Quick stop in the heartland. So, corn. Used to be corn. Soybeans for days. Well, used to be soybeans for days. If you wonder how I know, it's called growing up near this stuff. So, not in Missouri, but I did grow up near all this kind of stuff. So, that's how I know. Get us past this next bridge and then we'll find something else new. By the way, these bridges don't play, they're tall. Whoa. So this thing is one of the old railway lights. I think I saw a sign that said it's like the last one left. All the rest are just the concrete pillars. So that's kind of cool. All these culvert tunnels. I assume that these were put in to just prevent landslides or continuous landslides or something, because no way a train would fit through. So double barrel drainage. Whew. Oh, that's kind of nice. Whew. All right, that was the tunnel. Yay, tunnel. I don't know if you can see the wind in the trees, but something else. Seems to be coming from the south because it hit me in the side. Clear Creek. Does not look incredibly clear to me, but it's pretty. Clearly it's pretty. All right. Oh. Whew. I'm climbing for a couple miles. It's not a bad climb. It's just kind of long. If you've ever done the Gap Trail, it's a lot like that, going from Pittsburgh to Cumberland. It's not as long. All right, good place to take a little break. That's a lot of hay. Oh, soybeans still on the stalk. If they picked them when they were green, you could have had steamed edamame. I think that's how you say it. Coming up. Coming up behind you. On your left. Hello. Hello. Thank you.